So in our previous lesson, we did heading, the HTML heading, which we define HTML1 to, which we define H1 to H6. So in this lesson, we are going to talk about what we call HTML paragraph. So what is HTML paragraph? So HTML paragraphs are a block of text. Yeah. Paragraphs in HTML is used to form text, a block of text. If you want to add some text to your HTML page, most of the time you'll be using paragraph to do that. So now let's create a file called paragraph.html. Now if you want to add a paragraph to your HTML page, you are going to use what we called p tag. Yes, p tag. P tag is used to add paragraph to an HTML page. So now let's add some block of text now. So we start with what? P tag. So now you start with p tag, and the p tag has open and close tag. Yes, you open the tag, which is the p, then some text. Let's write some text, like let's say atom is the smallest indivisible parts of an element So after adding the block of text, then you close the p tag. So you open the p tag, then your paragraph, the content of the paragraph, and you close the p tag. So now let's assume you have a lot of text that you want to add. Let's say you have like 100 to 150 text that you want to add. You can define more than one p tag. Okay, so now I want to define another p tag as well to add another text. Let's say mixture. Mixture is the combinations of two or more elements. So now this is another p tag as well. So we have more than two. We have like two paragraphs here. That is the two block of text here. So now if you want to add text or more text to your HTML page, you are going to use what you call p tag. And within the p tag, we also have some HTML tag which you can use within. Let's say line breaks. For example, now I want to move on to the next line. I have a long text. Let me write some text here now. Now I want to move to the next line so that this text won't span a line. So I want to move to the next line. I'll just use what we call line break. There is another tag called line break. This line break does not have a close tag. Only have an open tag. So you only use one tag whenever you are using line break. Whenever you use line break, you can't use something like this. You can't do something like this. Let's say, okay, you now define the close tag. No, line break doesn't work that way. The line break only has what? A tag. This is the open tag. This br means in HTML means line break. That is, you want to move to another line. You understand? So you can use line break within your paragraph tag to move to another line. So you can now write, after moving to another line, you can now write some text. So now you see that the line break which will take effect whenever you are running the code in the browser. So automatically, after you use your line break, the text that comes afterwards will be broken down into another line. So now let's run this code now. Let's run and let's save the work and let's run it on Google Chrome. See how it works. Open file, open file, paragraph. And let's open it with Google Chrome. So that's that on paragraphs. As you can see, we have a lot of text. So all these text are divided within the paragraph tags. You can use one or you can use more than one or much paragraph tags depending on the text you want to add to your page. So you can use more than one paragraph tags. You can use more than one p tags. So if you want to define a paragraph or you want to add some block of text into your code, then you use what we call p tag. And this p tag has open tag. You write p and your content goes here. Your text, your text goes within the p tag. Goes here. The text goes here. Then after the text we have the words. What is called the p closing tag. You close the tag. So that is that on paragraph. Thanks.